everybody. Welcome to my office on Canada's beautiful West Coast. I live near the city of Vancouver, and today it is pouring in rain, so it's the perfect day to look at some points in English. I want to talk about 3 prepositions: on, in, and at. Now, English speakers use these prepositions a lot, and so it's very important that we use them correctly. So I think I can help you understand the differences between them and give you some strategies, easy strategies for remembering them accurately. So here's the first one. The first one we're going to look at is on. On refers to a flat place, and it can also be used for a day or a date. So for example, I live on the 4th floor of my apartment. He lives on the river. Penguins live on the ice. And again, we can also use it for a day or a date. I'll see you on Thursday. I'll see you on August 10th. And notice I gave the date, August 10th. In a minute, we'll see how important that is. So I'll see you on August the 10th. So that's on. We use it for a flat place and if you're living on top of it. Let's look at the next one, in. We use in when you can go inside and something that has boundaries. So for example, he lives in a houseboat on the river. He lives in an apartment. The fox lives in a foxhole. Elephants live in the forest. We might also say, John lives in Seoul, Korea. We might say, bears live in caves. Now, we can also use in when we're talking about a period of time that has a beginning and an end. For example, I'll see you in September. And remember a minute ago I said, remember the actual date. So if I said to you, I'll see you on September 10th, because I gave the date, the actual date, the 10th, then I say on. So I'll see you on September 10th. But if I just want to say the month, then I will say, I will see you in September. Do you hear the difference? Very important difference. Okay, let's look at the preposition at. This is going to be used when we're talking about a location and also time. So for example, I live at 50 Main Street, or I live at the corner of Oak Street and Smith Street, or I like to go to the Starbucks at the mall. Okay, so again, a place on a map. That's often how we use it. Or I might say to you, I'll see you at the office. So again, it's a location on a map. Or I might say to you, I will see you at 3 o'clock. Or I will see you at 1 o'clock on Monday. So again, when it is a location or it is a point in time, I'm going to use at. So I would encourage you just to look at those examples again and try and remember those few little clues that I gave you, or a few little points. So on is when it's a flat surface, and also when it's a day or a specific date. For example, let's just review. If I said to you, my birthday is on September the 27th, then I'm going to use on. But if I just wanted to tell you the month, I would say my birthday is in September. Let's review in. If you can go inside or if there are boundaries. And remember, it can also be boundaries of time. For example, I'll see you in 2021. So again, 2021 has a beginning and it has an end. So we would say it has boundaries. Or, I'll see you in Bangkok. Again, Bangkok has boundaries, and that's why we would say in Bangkok. And then at, let's just review. Think of the word location. And if you are talking about a location, most of the time you are going to say at. So in review, I live at 65 Main Street. Again, it is a place on a map. And also if it's a time, if you have a meeting, you might say, I have a meeting at 5 o'clock. So those are three prepositions that are used in English a lot by English speakers. And I would encourage you to look at the sentences and look at those clues to help you remember which one to use. And then the key is practice. Practice, practice. And I have every confidence that you will be able to use them correctly. And so your speaking will become more intelligent and you will communicate better. See you next time. Goodbye.